Hello and welcome back. I hope that you're all having an amazing day today. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Theo. Welcome. So for today's video, guys, we're actually going to be reviewing another item from the NYX Diamonds Ice Please holiday collection. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Mega Shadow palette. So if you're interested in seeing how this eyeshadow palette looks and how it performs, stay tuned. So if you've been watching my videos lately, you know that I've been reviewing a few of the items that NYX came out in their Diamonds and Ice Please holiday collection. So today I'm going to continue with that, and we're actually going to be reviewing the Diamonds and Ice Please eyeshadow palette. Now this palette does retail for $20 and it has 16 eyeshadows in it. Here's what it looks like. And here's what the inside looks like. It's very pretty. Look at that. And there are the shadows. Now the shadows are pretty, but I will say when I first saw it, it didn't wow me. It actually performed much better than it looks to me. I like it a lot more after using it. All right, so before we get started with the swatches, let me go ahead and read to you exactly what NYX says on their website about these shadows. So it says, the 16 pan palette has all the shimmers, glitters, and mattes to get an icy holiday look. From soft neutrals to lucid pops, with a wide range of shades from soft neutrals to icy pops, it creates limitless looks. High saturation pigment in a one swipe saturated formula for saturated blendable color every time. I will say that after using it, what they say on their site is true. The shadows perform really, really well. This is actually the look from the palette that I'm wearing on my eyes right now. And it is a little bit brighter than I normally go, but I absolutely love it. I thought it was just really pretty and really fun. So anyway, guys, again, let's go ahead and take a look at the palette, and I'm going to go ahead and swatch it for you. And after I go ahead and swatch the palette for you, I'll go ahead and insert the try-on portion so that you guys can take a look at that and see how I got this look and how it performed if you're interested. All right, again, here's what that looks like. And again, there are the shadows up close. Now, I did not see any names at all on the shadow. On the back, it just has a little chart and it has them numbered, but no names. So I would have liked if there were some names, but you know, it's still a nice little palette. All right, so let's go ahead and swatch the shadows. I'm actually going to start my swatching from here, and then I'm just going to go across and come back down and go across. So here are the first two rows of colors swatched. Look how pretty they are. Absolutely gorgeous. Now I will tell you that this one here I swatched twice, and this one here I swatched twice. I don't know why I swatched this one twice, because it had a nice pigment on the first swatch, but the rest of them are pretty much one swipe. And the only one that had a little kickback and was a little chalky was this one here, which is the second one inside of the palette. But other than that, those colors are stunning. And this gold right here, these two, both of them actually are absolutely fabulous. Love them. And here are the last two rows swatched. Look how pretty and pigmented those colors are. I told you, it looks a lot better to me in swatches and on the eye than it does in the palette. I'm actually really glad I picked this up. I like it a lot more than I thought that I would. And I can see creating so many different looks from this. Alright guys, so that was all of the eyeshadow swatch from this palette. Again, I really, really like them. I think that they performed really well. So what we're going to do now is go ahead and jump into the try-on portion so we don't have to make this video any longer than we have to. So let's get to it. here is the finished look. I know it's a little bright for me, but I actually like it a lot. It's a little bit different, but I had fun playing with this and I really do like it. Now, I will tell you that these shadows performed really, really well. I didn't have any problems at all putting them on. The pigment is absolutely stunning, and I really did enjoy this. As a matter of fact, I think I like it better on the eye than I do in the palette, because when I first saw the palette, even though I thought it was cute, I wasn't like overwhelmed by the fact that it was like drop dead gorgeous, but I had wanted to pick it up anyway just to share with you guys. But anyway, let me know what you guys think of this palette. Is it something that you'll be picking up from this collection, or is it something that you're going to pass on? Again, this palette does retail for $20 and you get 16 colors in the palette. Well, anyway, guys, that is all that I have for today. If you're not tired of hanging out with me yet, I'll go ahead and link my last video up here or up here somewhere so you can take a look at it if you would like. As always, thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me today. I truly do appreciate it. Before you go, if you'd hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like, I would appreciate that as well. And until next time, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.